Okay. Then next we have domains. So first thing we have here is broadcast domain.
Any cast is specifically using
IPv6, yes. IPv6. Okay. What is a broadcast domain? Okay, forget the domain. What is broadcast?
which has a broadcast.
Yes, it has a broadcast domain, but we need to understand what is a broadcast domain.
When data first time it will broadcast the address to each and every host
Okay.
to the LAN network.
Still not clear what is the broadcast domain. What is a broadcast? Forget the domain. We say one to all communication. That is what your broadcast is. But how do you define that? What comes under all? What does it mean with all?
LAN network.
See, for example, let's say I'm speaking. So hardly my voice will be reaching second floor. Or this classroom may be not even going outside this classroom. So something is defining, right? Let's say this classroom is defining that where my voice will go, right? So what is this classroom? Part of this entire building, right? So domain means either network or part of network. Either network or part of network, where a node can use a broadcast message to deliver the information to every other node. Okay, so domain simply means either network or part of network. Now, in that network or in that part of network, if any node is using a broadcast message, that message will be delivered inside that part only. So that is the boundary of, you can say, the broadcast message. So when we say one to all communication, your all is defined by the broadcast domain. Broadcast is a message only, but who are the all? The all is your broadcast domain. See now, let's say here, if we consider, let's say this is a broadcast domain. Now, if there is any broadcast by any node, that message will be delivered to only these nodes. It will never leave this broadcast domain. If I'm speaking, my voice will remain inside this classroom. This classroom is what? A broadcast domain, where I'm using my broadcast message to communicate with everyone. Okay. So how do you define? You can define broadcast domain is a network or part of network. Okay, let me just write it. You can say network or part of network, where a node can use a broadcast message to communicate with every other node. This is what a broadcast domain is. This is clear. Okay. Noted. Then the next thing comes. We have a new thing, collision domain. We have a second thing, that is your collision domain. What is a domain again? Network or part of network. What is collision? Impact. Right. So what is a collision domain? Again, it's a network or part of network where there is a possibility of collision. There is a possibility that the data might have collision. Okay. So simply you can define network or part of network. Where there is a possibility of collision. This is what your collision domain is. This is clear. Okay.